Let's go back to the chart. Screen glow shining in the middle of the night. Candles keep dancing, red turns into white. Some days I'm flying, some days I fall apart, but every road I walk leads me back to the chart. Losses hit heavy, yeah, they test my soul. But pressure makes diamonds and patience builds control. The market ain't against me, it's teaching me to see. Every trade revealing a better version of me. I don't fear the pullbacks, I don't fear the pain. Every storm I weather makes me stronger in the game. So I go back to the chart, back to the candles in the dark. Every win and every scar.
Hello everybody. Another rush day, just starting late again. Sorry for that, but I'll try to get back as soon as possible. I mean, in future, I'll try to be quick. I'm still eating my lunch and finishing my starting my day. Water done. Now let's get back quickly, like whatever I can see. Sorry about it. So the market is daily chart this is. So yesterday it was like showing bullishness. God knows why. After all this inflation data, we got 2 minutes left. Let's see within 2 minutes what we can cover, and then we'll start trading. Okay, I don't know what I'm gonna do. Let's see. Okay, we are now retracing down, isn't it? Okay, so the idea is like today, should I think that they're bearish? I don't think so. I think they will extend in later on. But now they coming back. Yeah, they can come back. Where they can come back? I've got 1 minute left, man. They can come back to the midpoint, hopefully. Let's see. Hopefully not. I think before that they stop. Now if I go to 4 hours quickly, okay, there is an area there. So these things I'm gonna watch it. There is a series of down close candle here. It got a break here. Up to there it can. Oh my god. So this one I'll think about it. I'll think about this high. I'm still bullish. I'm just have to just find a way to do it. But the problem is that they created a order block here. You can see here. Okay, so I would not care about this order block, but the problem is that they are all-time high and they created something. Look, you can see there today's opening price. They closed down, they went up, and then they're coming down to dig something. So they have to rest somewhere, either this gap, one of the order block. Okay, so we are watching that thing until we finding a option to take it higher. Until that we have to wait, because they can do a Judas swing until down. But RTH, what is RTH going on? Oh god, 1 minute, man. RTH is what the hell is that? This is 1 minute. If I go, where is my RTH? Oh, we don't know because the market didn't open here, didn't I? Forget about everything. Let's get is my chart ready? Let me see. Here you go. Sorry for that. We'll check it next time. We'll do analyze a little bit more. Okay, so this one is gonna be 15 minutes, my 15 minutes chart. I'm thinking, where is 4 hours? Did I mark it? It's all right. Market open, let them. I hope they come down a little bit. But the RTH saying they could go up as well. So we have to be open. But my initial idea is hopefully they come and rebalance some of these places and then they go up. But who am I to say you? Market open, guys. Let's see. Concentrate. So they're fast coming down or up. We don't know. Let's see. Today we'll try to take some trade. Hopefully, if we get the idea right. I didn't check nothing. Let's see. Fighting. The market is fighting, man. Checking. Focus. So the first candle, how they do it. Are they going up to trade today's opening price first? Or they fall and straightforward later on give us the entry? Yet to be seen. So they closed down under 930. So this one means they're taking out this low maybe. Not yet. My goodness, look at this. Look, this one taken out this low, NQ didn't take out this low. So very interesting. So I would take it as the NQ didn't take it, so I'll think that this one didn't take the low. So that's what I will believe. I'll believe in NQ more than MNQ. Look, this one didn't take out this low. So now this one taken out a temporary high. Are they gonna close down under 930? That's the question. But then where are we in the 15 minutes? You have to see. So they reached this gap. So after one, if that one reached it and this one could go. So now this one came back. We don't know now, isn't it? Because there are two gaps. Are they gonna a little bit extend and come here, or are they gonna do something from here? That's the question we need to understand. Okay, so they're taken out a little bit more high. Let them go. There is a midnight price and then a new day opening gap. If they go from here straight away up, I'm not trading. I'm still believing that they has to come a little bit down. Or if they don't do it, I mean, they can just go up. Okay, but without a manipulation, which is not trustworthy, isn't it? So they already reached to this gap as well. Okay, 15 minutes. Now the question is what they're gonna do. Where are they going? Where are you going? Lots of untraded. Let's say, look, these are all not been. There are lots of liquidity. What is it called? I even forgot. What is it called? So anything can happen. We have to be open-minded. Okay. So they came back to today's opening price. 930 price is there. They already created some gaps. Interesting. So how far they can go up? They came here. Where? They already traded this one. Okay, so they can even fall from here as well. But if they invert all of these, I don't know. So I mean, we have to be open to think what they did. This side, what they did, they've taken out some kind of this double bottom they taken out. But I would prefer them if they came a little bit down actually, because they're going from somewhere. There's nothing there. Do you see? I mean, yeah, there are some resistance there. Support and resistance there. Look, we are ICT trader. We should not talk about it. But there are resistance from yesterday's high, maybe, yeah, or maybe Friday. I don't know which day was this. This is yesterday. This is Tuesday. This is Monday's high. Sorry, Monday's high. They came on the top of Tuesday's high, and now they are bouncing back, and they're gonna go away. Let them go away. I don't care. So now they already crossed today's opening price. From this area, we have to watch it. What they did. 830 price. They're coming back. They might go on the top of 830 price as well. So these high they're targeting maybe now. But I'm not doing anything. I have to see. Because my initial idea is to go down, and then if they go up, I'll be interested. You can't trap us. Today we will trade. Let's increase it a little bit. I don't know. Yeah, we have to, but don't follow. Please, I'm telling you guys, don't follow my trade because I'm a new trader. I mean, I do mistakes, 100 of them. You see already. You saw like how many account I destroyed. Yeah, look here. So I mean like, so please don't follow my trade. Okay, it's just an idea we are discussing. Okay. So they are on the top of today's opening price, and they're already on the top of midnight opening price. Now the question is that 830, can they stop it, or you think they're gonna go on the top of 830 price as well? If they go on the top of 830 price, we will be happy. We'll see. If they go away, we'll let them go away, because lots of I mean, highs there. They need to take these high. Let's look, see all these highs. I forgot the name, what they call it, like trend line liquidity. This one. Let's see if they're a nice trend line or not. What the hell is that? Why is not selecting, man? This chart. Trend line, yeah? Are they breaking the trend line? We have to make sure as many touches as we can. Somebody, ICT see me, you'll kill me. You'll say, what the hell are you doing? You put my name and then putting trend line. Which one ICT I should put? Like this one is the best, isn't it? Yeah. Trend line. Let's see what they did. Trend line. Okay, they actually serious. We have to be serious. Sorry for that. So they can take these kind of highs. All these highs are there to be taken. At least this high maybe. No? So now they've taken out everything. What time is it? 37. Okay, perfect. But they created like a little resting order block here. So now it can go further, and the next candle as well. What they created, they can go high. I don't have nothing now. I'm gonna wait. So my initial idea was they could come down for a while, and then, but now what they created, we don't know. Nothing there. So they've taken out this high now. It's 37. Quite extended. Without taking no liquidity, nothing. This market is crazy. I'm telling you, it's crazy. Crazy. Oh, what the hell is that? Visibility. Okay, what is it? No good. So 9:30 open is straightforward up. Do I trust them? They now taken out a significant high. This candle is interesting. Looks like it. Oh no, they have to. This not this one. Maybe the next one. Maybe the next one would be interesting. It's showing everywhere, man. Okay. It's bonker, man. Just gone high. Like that. So now they became proper bullish. This candle, where they reached. They just cannot go like that. This candle is interesting candle. They reached to, oh, should have shorted it from the top maybe. Anyways, today patience again. No more picking top with confirmation. Our idea was to go a little bit down first go up and down this candle. What are you gonna do? Gonna go up more? Go. See, they're showing us. Show me your hand. Still not giving up. So they're still bullish. Is there any news? I have to check it in future. Nobody said nothing, innit? Technology going high. That's it. Let's see. That one is like institutional price, remember? If I shorted it already, I would have get 25 points already. To this, there is a little fair value gap here. That's it. So this kind of price I used to short it because they've taken out all this liquidity, okay? And then they, what are they gonna do? They have to retrace to one of them, no? At least tiny bit. So 20 points is easy there, from there to here. Who am I to tell you? So still not ready. Okay, let them go high. But if they go high, then what can I do? Because I had a idea of they're gonna go high, but they didn't reach to the stage I wanted them to go. But if they go now like that, I have really nothing to do, because this one looks like they already gone to the moon. Yeah, already ES already made all-time high. So now the question is how they're gonna treat it next candle. Next 15 minutes candle will be interesting. So I didn't like the fact that they didn't dig a little bit down. Now 15 minutes is where is actually going high as well. It makes sense. But it doesn't make sense to me because I'm in front of you, so couldn't take straightforward trade. But I'm not unhappy about it. So 9:30 open. If you consider it like 9:30 open there, look here. This candle 9:30 open. So then they came back to take out this low, but they didn't take out a swing low. That's why I couldn't trust it. Otherwise, I would have looking. Or now they're saying ES did it actually. But I don't have the chart just like that. Next time I have to check it. But then they close down here, okay, on the top of that. So this is became order block, all these candles. So now if you believe in this order block, so then your next candle open, you can open it straightforward open a target just new day opening price or any highs, lots of things can happen. Okay, so it's all right. It's all right. We missed it. We might get a retracement from somewhere. Let's see where we can get this retracement. There are lots of highs to be taken. 17, 20. Yeah, brutal. So 1 minute left to next 15 minutes candle. Are they gonna do the retracement now? Don't do it now. These are crazy market condition. When they go like 200 pips, 200 points actually, pips I'm saying. Let me say the extension is 160. They're not gonna give us 20. What do you say? They got lots of things to take out. Are they gonna take out all of them? Then don't know. Waiting game again, isn't it? Trading is difficult, isn't it? So where they are they gonna leave this high? Few seconds left, okay. Few seconds left. I might take a little quick scalp, maybe something. If they take out the high and then just to pretend that, oh Lord, shall I do it? They're taking out the high. They're taking out the high without retracement. Okay, 53, 57, 60. Nah, it's too much for me to do anything from there. Maybe this area, double top, 60. Let's give it a shot. Why not? I'll put the stop loss quickly, break even. Okay, if they go down, I don't know, like shouldn't have done it. This is like picking bottom top, like something like that. So stop loss has to be on this candle high, but it's gonna stop me out for sure. But if they give me a little retracement, that's what I'm hopefully they go down a little bit. I don't want to lose money here. If they stop me out, but I could have, see, so I could have taken $50. I had the chance. but yeah, I saw it didn't work. Okay, so next candle, let's see if they taken out the high back again. We'll retry maybe. Now is very interesting. 74. Yeah, so oh, don't go away. Should have done it there when they taken out the high back again. Oh, I cannot do it now because now it will be stop loss will be bigger. You know the beginning, when they did it, because now they are such a place they can even take the high first. But as soon as they did it, I could have done it like a turtle soup kind of thing. But this can be a retracement as well. I'm just thinking it can be a retracement, man. Don't follow. Should have taken out. I told that day as well that I'm gonna take out all this $50 move. Like 2-3 of them could have done me a great job. 150 would be done, isn't it? 3 of this trade. Such a bad guy. So now we got this is the area. If they're gonna break maybe, but I was hoping they will give us a retracement. They didn't give us a retracement, so they're not good people, innit? So 47 right now. So they reached there. Where did you reach, man? Go to 15 minutes. Let's see if there is any chances. Yeah, I was thinking like this area. They could have given us something, but they didn't give us. So that means they are very, very strong. But retracement will be from here. There is a look. See, this is the retracement. So now what happened? Like I got upset now. They said, "Oh, why I didn't take the money to show you guys a trade?" But I could have just come out with 50. 50 means 20 points. Yeah. From there I shorted it. It came here. 20 points. I'm done. Sit down there. Back again. With $50. Another trade. 3 trade. 150. That's what I was thinking. But I have to do these things. So slowly I'll do that because this is the area. Understandable that they could give us like a little retracement. It will be continuation, but look at the retracement until from where to where. But they stopped me out with this candle. What is this magnet, man? Not working. From here to there, look, already 25 points I had, 24 points. So now if I said it, I'm gonna re-enter it, but I couldn't kept my focus. This candle high. So this candle high to this, there is a fair value gap here. Midpoint of the fair value gap is already 30 points. I know, so you can say, oh, you're picking the top, but this is what it is. If I enter it here, if I kept my like stop loss at 10 points and target 20 points, that's what I'll do actually in future, because this is a retracement was expected. So now they already traded the midpoint of there is a gap here. See, exactly midpoint. So as there is not a significant retracement, they can just take out this high maybe. But still, yeah, they're taking out this high. It's all right. Sometimes things doesn't go to your way, but we're not gonna cry about it. That's the things. So regular trading hour, where is it? Today's regular trading hour, and there was no gap. See? Yeah, so they just opened up exactly down there. So that's why, like, if they created a gap, maybe they would have something. So they just opened up here. Okay, there was no gap, so they came, and then anyways, they didn't give us this little manipulation I was expecting. If they given this little deep, I could have catch this one, but now I'm not doing anything. If you want to trade. But with this scalping as well, could have done better than that. Okay, like the idea was good from this area to look for like a short. This one I don't know, because now bearishness I cannot think about it. Everything just, they taken out everything. 4 hours, it's gonna close within 9 minutes. So after that, if they close, then after that, if they retrace, silver bullet time, let's say if they close nicely, and then, sorry, where am I? Yeah, so 4 hours is here. What the hell is it? I have to choose the regular. Come on, man. Not beard, just sorry for that. This one, yeah. Yeah, here. So 4 hours now going like this. So if you see, initially they created a order block here. Kind of look, they closed down on the top under this opening price. So now they came down to trade this one, but they dig little bit. I was just expecting it to come to one of this opening price. That's what I was saying. That's why I was saying I want a tiny dig, but they can easily, we have to be, next time we have to remember that, we have to think about like that. It's like not a like exact price. It's like a kind of zone, isn't it? This is like classic support and resistance kind of things. What the hell open? My charts are all, I have to, maybe visibility, I changed it, yeah. Go like this, man. So yeah, so this one came down here, didn't close around that area, but they taken out this low. No, they didn't, see. So that's why, like, there was something. This one take out, this one didn't take out. So they created equal low down there. So yeah, altogether, I mean, only things, I would be loving it if they created. Let me put that line so I remember. This area, if they came, I would love it. But as they didn't come, they just gone. So now the question is that will this one create these two like down close candle? If they close on the top of that, then the next candle retracing one of these, then it will be interesting to get a buy. But do I trade like that? Not really. Still now I don't have enough data. I told you before. I have to little bit do what is it called? Chart analysis. I have to check some of the. I have to study a little bit more. I have to go through the chart. So it's all right. I mean, we didn't miss nothing. Okay, yeah, you could say, oh, I could make money. Yeah, you saw it like in front of you. It was this area I just shorted. So identifying the area is good. Only thing was that, I don't want to lose money in front of you. I came break even immediately, Otherwise, I would have get 30 points. So still now, look, they're hanging around because they're waiting for 930 because they need to retrace. They just expanded too much. Look at this. What is it called? The price. Where are they now, right? Man, come on. Select something, mate. These charts are crazy. Select. So look, here to there, it was 200 points, man. They're not gonna give you 50-point retracement. That's what they're doing. High to already look 60, 70, yeah. So they already, they might even come to like 581. Yeah, it could be even a freaking, what is it called? Like a retracement, that one, what we are looking for. Or you see, they kept it as a double top anyways. So these are the things I'm saying, like sometimes you don't trust your system, like I like to trade in the beginning. Look, now the retracement happened, whatever I was expecting. So what I'm feeling, FOMO. So that's what I'm working on me, okay? So like I'm feeling like, oh, why I didn't enter it from there, man? I entered it. Why did I go break even at that quickly, Otherwise I would have get this, how many points? Where I entered here. Look at this stop loss, 20 point. Even if you put a stop loss, you'll never get a stop out, okay? So lots of people say, oh, it's just like top picking. Now lots of people will enter from this area as well. Look, people will enter as soon as they create a gap. Maybe lots of people say, oh, this is a fair value gap they created. So if you enter from here, so you have to put your stop loss there, isn't it? But look where you're putting it. 70 points you're gonna put your stop loss. Your stop loss has to go on the top. So you cannot risk 20 points here, and now you're gonna risk 50 points. And it might even go higher because they left it equal high. Isn't it? Like looks like it. I think they left, yeah, look, 1 hour rejection block, they just cracked down. Yeah, because I'm like a scalper kind of trader, because you know, like all this is a bad habit I created from like stock trading. Quick in and out, 10 cents, you know, 20 cents, you know, this kind of trading. So I mean, that's why I still couldn't do it. I have to a little bit research this chart, and then I'll get back. So they so if we now talk about, there are two gaps here, yeah, they already inverted, but I don't like this kind of inversion. I like one go. IFVG people will short it from here. I'm not like those kind of trader yet. Okay, so they came to the last, this one, yeah, IFVG. So now the question is, this one will be an order block or not. So then this will be like the first stage of, yeah, they're creating it. But this one, I'm not thinking they are doing like a reversal from here. Okay, I'm just thinking like they could do it. Yeah? They can do it. Yeah, how much they extended, they can do it. But we have to see. Oh, we got 58. So 4 hours still didn't close. Let me see if they close the 4 hours on the top of that. Then we'll have a confidence. I have to remember this thing, that 4 hours, is it closing on the top of this series of candles, or they close it on the top of one candle? They can come a little bit down to this area. Is there any chance I could have entered from there? I don't know. No, I would not enter from there, because my stop loss will be too big. But lots of people will do that. Okay, because this one now, this is kind of like a protected, no, not really protected low, because they didn't take out any high, isn't it? But kind of protected low. Like you could have taken the trade from here and put your stop loss on the top of that to say that it has to dig down a little bit more, because they're coming back to 830 price back again. Yeah, so they already traded 830. So that's it. They did their retracement, I would say, if they want to go high. Or if they further go and then go to today's opening price, I'm not sure. So this is the area I have to observe if they have to go up or they completely go down. I'm not sure. They can, but I can't buy it, man. See, now they completely reverse. But isn't it interesting that, you know, we found out that that area, this area, when we were talking about that, this area when I shorted, but only thing I didn't risk enough. Let's say if I just risk 20 points, that would be done. This area is a nice retracement back again to the today's opening price. Okay, so they created a gap here. Now the question is, will they go through? And the funny thing is that our 4 hour couldn't do nothing. 4 hour actually still now showing bearishness. That would be interesting now. And now this, I didn't like it, you know, it's just not a good way of doing it. Look, 4 hours, what they did now, it was showing potential of closing, eh? And then they came down all the way down. So now, still now, this one is a order block, is still valid to me. So, but why they're now going up? So question is, this is a good, not a good problem. It's like a, I didn't like it. If they closed it there, then the dig down here makes sense. But from here as well, they can go up. Like, look, already this one is order block. So they came down, but I cannot trade like that. I like to be on the top. Yeah, this one they traded retraces. Where is it? This is the 45. Yeah, so they retraced to today's opening price. Now they created this one as a order block. Now will they continue? I don't know. You can take it, there's something like this kind of trading, I don't know how to put like that big stop loss yet. I'm a person, I would have buy it from here. So why? Like it's like discount. If you take this range and this range, what is it? If you see the like today's opening price, what is it? Discount, where is it? 60 fib level, look. Golden, I mean like OT, whatever you tell it. So if you take the trade from here and if you can come out here, that's enough. Now what confirmation you need? Lots of people wait for the confirmation. They will take it from here because the order block, look at this, already retracing to your opening price. Isn't it better this one? Just take a shot, put a 20 points stop loss or put it under 90%. What one of the guy, I saw it like ICT, one of the interview I saw it, and I think Word of Wisdom, I think one of the guy like Omar, maybe Omar his name, yeah. So he shown this one, I really loved it. Look, 90%. He said if something go under 90%, it will anyways take me out. So what is the point of losing that much points? You understand, from here to there. So he put a stop loss just under 90%. So if you taken that trade and you put 90%, and then if it go even over there is already 1 to 2, and lots of people will enter believing this is a order block. And now let's say if you enter it from after closing this one from here, anticipating going high, already you are underwater. So I mean, I like to have this kind of confidence, but this one I couldn't take it because I'm in front of you. Hopefully in future I'll do it. This one can go high, but I'm saying which one is better. So if you take a trade from here, take it like believing the fib, which is here for years. I mean, this Fibonacci man, created these things for a reason. So he did a mathematical calculations and the market follow it. We don't want to take trade from here because we need confirmation. So that's the problem, And I'm in front of you. I didn't take this one because it can even fall from there. But I don't want to take this risk from here to there because I'm trading with a $2,000 account. Do you understand? And I already lost 2 accounts in front of you. So I don't want to do that. Let's see. Slowly, I'll build the confidence and I'll do it because now I don't know. So that's something. So which one is easy trade? This one was a nice easy trade, isn't it? Because your overall condition is bullish because they left a double top on the top. Look here. But 4 hours, I cannot trust it right now. Do you trust it now? So if this is like that, what is the ICT's teaching said, They created an order block and this one couldn't even close on the top of that. I mean, this can be bullish, yeah, but I don't have trust right now anymore on this. From 4 hours at least. So if I go to 1 hour, what they did, yeah. So this one didn't trade any fair value gap. Yeah, you can say, oh, is they bouncing back from the order block, from this order block? Yeah, they can. But do I need to trust this one as well? I would rather see them going down and then later on maybe do something. But they should go up today, according to the what is it called? Weekly profile. Monday open, Tuesday manipulation, and Wednesday expansion. So Thursday coming down, but I didn't like how much they came down. They could have come down tiny bit more and then they could do expansion, and then next Friday maybe they could come and wait here, or we don't know because it's been like crazy for the last. This one looks like a interesting things to me right now. Let us observe. But will I take a trade from here? I don't know. I don't know. You see if I take a trade, okay? But we are talking, okay? Just building up confidence. I know you guys want to see me trading here, there, like then I would have lots of view. I noticed that the day I lost money, I said it, those days are most view. And then the day I'm like showing you discipline and no view, like people don't like to. Yesterday I didn't trade it, like because it was not comfortable for me, because after loss and I was like a little bit shaky. I didn't have that much view, but the day I showed you losses and everything, oh my God, so many people watched it. Discipline, nobody likes it. But that's the problem of mine. Okay, so I've got problem with discipline. That's why I'm trading here. To see discipline, let me see. Anyways, analyze it, okay? So let me see what they're doing. ES is going crazy. Nobody likes discipline. Everybody wants to see money, money. How much money did you make? It's not the fun of trading. It's how much money I made. That's important. No, sorry, made only $5. It's not enough to go out. Why not? We sat down here half an hour, I think. Yeah, made $5.5. Is it not enough? Lots of people, half an hour salary is this one. Seriously. And lots of third world country, this is a daily income as well. But with one click, we made it, kind of like you can say, oh no, this is a eval account. Yeah, you can pass this one in 2 days, isn't it? That's what they're giving you. I'm not doing it because I'm live streaming. I'm trying to build up a audience to. I don't want to be stupid in front of you. But slowly, when I know you, you guys will be like my family. I will not be that much scared to trade in front of you guys. But I will trade. Very, very risky trade. You'll see because I trade like that. This one now. Seem like 4 hours. They're following the 4 hours path, isn't it? 4 hours was initially we came with the bearishness, initial bearishness, but then this gone high to take out all these highs and couldn't take out that high and close down here. It will tell us lots of things, isn't it? Like let's say now, I would prefer it to go completely high and they came back. It will be very nice things to do. Like this candle high they taken, this candle high they taken. Now they close down inside this body. What is it? Is it like a bearishness or bullishness? I don't know. You tell me. If this one gone high from there and then they came down and closed here, you would have confidence. But they're tricky, innit? No idea, man. You research. They came to the rejection block back again. So now they doing the same thing what they do every day. They're making you confused now. 50-50. Look, 50% of the range, and they're waiting here to tell you, oh, which side are you gonna go. So let them decide. Look at this. Is there any confirmation here? Like to go down? How can I believe it? But the area was nice area. I shorted it. I should have take my profit. That's what I should have done. We'll do it slowly. So now this one created a little gap here under 830 price. This one I could have traded as well to go down now. But the thing is that's what I'm saying. So where I'm gonna put my stop loss. This is already closed under 830, created a gap. The 930 price is down there. We have to observe here. Let's see how they behave from here. This gap, will they hold it? Why I'm looking at this one? I was not supposed to look at this one. Sorry for that. There. So this gap as well we need to check. 930 price is there. So if they go down, then it could be interesting. Anyways, there is no point of talking that much. We consider on trading. I don't know, I said so many things and I'll do some things very silly, you'll see. But I'm FOMOing to trade from here. But it's 10-10 right now. Our macro finish. Today falling like a completely end of the day, it will be like a bearish candle. Doesn't make sense, but they can easily come down here. So yeah, I think they're doing it. And the price is on the top of new day opening price. Okay, so that's a very interesting point. But don't get me wrong, that trade worked as well, you know, where you could have like take a trade and put a stop loss on the top of that. Like, but I'm not saying that, you know, you should trade like that, because that is the best way of trading. Okay, I trade scalp trade is very not good. Look, this trade. So the question is where you would have targeted. There is no target. Your target can be here. So let's say if you target this area, what happened? Let me see. Oh no, you're not gonna take it from there, will you? You'll take it when they come inside, and your stop loss has to be on the top of this candle. So 20 points stop loss. So I'm saying, like, if you target these lows, or forget about, let's say 830 price, even 830 price was where it was 60, around 60, let's say. These are all hypothetical trade. Okay, just checking it, what we could get. Look, three are. So these are, I mean, you can take trade like that as well. And then if you are like good trader, later on you develop everything, you can target this kind of low, because these are all, look, they left it like that. How many lows are there? So these are equal low. If they like do the things what you want it to do, but I'm not a trader that much. 1 to 2 is enough to be a successful trader. Okay, so that's it. So we are building our confidence. In future we'll take this kind of trade. I mean, I like to trade like from there, but is look, they don't give you that much chance, do they? But my way of trading as well, I'm just slowly observing the area. I picked it nicely. Only problem is that I didn't trade it with the confirmation. Let's say even if I took this one taken out high and then they closed it down there, so this one I believed as the order block. If I'm that much aggressive, I could take the trade from here as well and put my stop loss there. But this one not a confirmation trade. Then they broke down, and then they retraces here. This was a good trade. Put my stop loss there, but you know, easily they can take you out as well. But these are the trade we have to take it, because losses you have to take it as well. Like, without taking losses, you know, we cannot be profitable at all. So now they're bouncing back from our new day opening gap. So question is what they're doing. Look at the slowness of the market. Yesterday the same thing. When the market opened, nothing happened. Pre-market move like hell. I think I'm gonna become a pre-market trader very soon. Look at the before the market opened, they was nicely structurally going down, and now all of a sudden look like the world stopped. Now somebody need to say something, otherwise they don't want to go up or down. Feds are talking. So now waiting game, patience again, patience. The market is testing us. I hate slow grinding up. I'm a person, I like to take boom trade, gone, finish, go home. This kind of guy. But they're testing us like crazy. What kind of structure is it? You tell me in 15 minutes, So one candle is like there, next candle open up, they went there, they came down from there, now they're slowly grinding up. Do you understand? Isn't it better to trade this side, that side, rather than get involved in this one? I actually took a trade here with my top step after 8:30 from toilet. I like just to show you quickly, but I don't want to talk about that. What is it called? That account that much, because it's like I've got funded account with top step. Yeah, this was the not this. Where was it? Yeah, after 8:30. Yeah, I think this one was my trade. I took it from here, but then they gone down. I just came out, didn't hold it until this area. Yeah, just this one was the trade. When they closed down here, they created a gap and then took a trade from here. And my stop loss was on the top of this one, and then they fell down. I just took a good chunk of profit and then just finished the thingy. Because I would have hold it this trade, but the problem was that if I see 15 minutes, they were like, I was checking 15 minutes. I said, okay, they came here, this candle, I kind of entered. And then I said, will they do it? Because they were, look how long they were there. So that's why I couldn't trust the whole thing that they will. But it was understandable. They created it, they're creating a gap. So if I believed on that, I could have done it. After 8:30, they need to take out some kind of liquidity. This one is the liquidity, these are liquidities. Let me see if they've taken out this low. Nah, proper. They made it like a, yeah, they're taken out actually. Look at this, like it's just a tick. Yeah, that now is making sense to like when they went high. I thought they didn't take out this low. Anyways, would I believe that? Not really. Look here, how they gone high from there. They came back. I mean, after 9:30, they didn't take out no liquidity. That is the problem. Yesterday as well, if you see yesterday's price, where was it? Yesterday? Yesterday was here. I need to do a little bit of, if I cut it, you'll see it. Maybe make it bigger because I'm not taking trade anyways. Now. So this is the yesterday's price and this is the 45, didn't I? Isn't it? Start new. So this is 45. Yeah, here, let's say 9:30 open. So 1 minute if you go. Look, 9:30 open, no manipulation, stayed away fall. But at least this one taken out some sort of liquidity and then they later on reverse. Today they just, what they did? So today, same thing, no manipulation, gone high, didn't even come back, just went down over there. And now retraces to the new day opening gap. And then what they did, these are fib level, OTE entry, and they're going high. I don't enter from this kind of area. I mean, you can enter it, but I can enter it, but the problem is I don't enter it in front of you because then I'll be like, I can take it, but the problem will be then you will say, oh, what kind of trading you took it? So I would love to be in front of you like around 1 hour, highest 1.5 hours, and then that's it. I'm gonna lock my account and I'm gonna go because this account I'm creating is nothing like, I'm not gonna be trading here there anymore. This is a discipline challenge. If you want to watch it, you can watch it. You can be disciplined with me.
If I can find some trade in the beginning of the stream, I'll do that. Otherwise, there is no trade. I'll lock it in front of you. That's what I said it. I told you when I lost those accounts that I'm gonna follow this way, and it's gonna be like that. One day we'll hopefully we'll pass the account and then can go to the funding. I think we have nothing to say because it's already the idea was we already discussed about these things that if you go to daily chart, let's talk about these things, and I leave you and let you trade with your own things, and I'm gonna do my own things. So let me take this one out because there is no need of this one. So yeah, this one is we don't need it. This is the 4 hours one. So daily candle, if we say this fair value gap is 50% of this is holding. So they came down Tuesday, Wednesday, they gone high. Today, Thursday, they call it further manipulation. So that's what happening. If you check it, you could have taken the whole candle. I like to take the opening price, but look, today they went from the top of it. So if I mark it like that as well, so let's say the top of this candle, they should go higher, and then tomorrow hopefully they come back. But if we talk about, see the last, what is it called, few weeks, week by week, if you check it, look, this one is a what is it, this is Friday. Okay, so that week you had a little bit of TGIF. Yeah, this week 1 2 3 4, look, this one didn't have a TGIF. It was like kind of extension. 1 2 3 4 5, look at this Friday's price action extension. 1 2 3 4 5, this one had this one, look, Friday's price action extension, Friday's price action extension, Friday's price action extension. So what gonna be this Friday? Do you understand? So all these weeks, how many weeks gone? 1 2 3 4 5 6 weeks gone. This is the 7th week running in this run. Only the first week had a tiny bit of retracement. Rest, they just squeezing us. So what they're gonna do today, this week? Squeezing back again? How? What do you know? We don't know. We can only think, you know. So that's what I'm saying. So this extension is understandable. I mean, it's following the weekly what is it called, profile, but they came and retraced from there. Look, they can do that, but I was expecting it to dig tiny bit lower. Then I would be happy to go with the buy. I can go buying anywhere, but the thing is that should I buy it? It didn't follow my way of thinking, so I don't want to do that. So yeah, so I was thinking about, look, not this high, I was thinking about this price. If they even came this what is it called, they just poked it tiny bit here, I would have trusted this going high. I would be on from the bottom. That one I analyzed it, I was thinking about it, even I was expecting it to, even if it comes down there, I would have believed it. Or they came yesterday's opening price, I would have still looking for buy, but from there they just without giving me manipulation, they just gone. What do you want me to do, gamble in the middle? I don't do that anymore. I do it, I'm gonna enter here there, but as I said, I'm gonna follow rules. If I don't have a trade now, it's fine. I don't have a trade on the stream. I can trade anytime, whenever I want to. So we'll trade later on in my thing, but I'm just talking to you, you know, if it is helpful for you. So the idea was, if they come here, they didn't come, so I didn't have any. 1 hour, 4 hours, let me quickly do it. So 4 hour beginning of the stream, I said it, look, this is the opening price, you can see it. So they closed down, so this one became a series of down close candle, and they closed on the under the opening price. What is according to ICT system? This one became an order block, isn't it? So I mean, actually we can say that this one did it. So this one, if it is the order blocks, the next candle should not take out the high, so they could come down. Where they come down? They will come down one of these any place to rest. Where they're gonna rest? Either a order block or a fair value gap. So you can say they already traded this fair value gap and they rested on the top of this one as well. So yeah, you can say that they did it, and that's what we are talking about in the middle. Like, you know, I said you have to consider the whole candle, not only the opening price. But we only consider the opening price. Sometimes, you know, they can even come on the top of this, like the daily candle. What they did, look, they actually came on the top of the daily candle and then they just gone. So it's fine. We're learning, isn't it? It's observation. You have to observe it, see it. But if you have a system, if it doesn't follow it, you don't need to follow it. That's what I believe. You know, if it didn't give me a good entry, I didn't enter. But I could enter here, there, and make some money. But slowly I'll do that. Okay. So, but I'm trying to get a good entry. Let's say a good entry doesn't always come. So, like yesterday, I couldn't enter. Today I entered it, but it just stopped me out. So it's all right. So this is what it is. It's already coming 10:30. You could see some action maybe a little bit later. But this market going high from here should do it, but I didn't like how they came down. That's it. That's the end conclusion. So now this one is a look from where is reversing from? From the top of it, this order block. Look here. Yeah, perfect. They can reverse back from your order block, but they didn't come to trade the fair value gap. I didn't like it. I like when they come to the fair value gap to trade. So now they close down here. Look, this is the inverse. They close underneath. So now this candle is thinking they're going high already. I mean, lots of things can happen. Okay, so it's yet to be observed. So, but I cannot enter from this area. Okay, so lots of people will do it, but if I follow rules, I have to follow rules properly. So let's see how long we can keep our discipline. So this one traded this one. So okay, one hour we understood. Now 15 minutes, what they did. 15 minutes, these are the series of candle. Okay, there is a gap here. You can see. Because this gap is not broken yet. Look, you can say, okay, yeah, 15 minutes came to it. Like, there is a tiny gap. Can you see it? Look here. There is a fair value gap there. Lots of people will not take it as a fair value gap because you will not even see it without the indicator. So, but there is a fair value gap. So last time they came and the next time they closed it up. So that means this fair value gap is still alive. So they came back here, they didn't close, nothing, nobody closed properly here. So today they came back to, so this one is still alive, but this is untraded. So I was thinking about them to come down to trade some untraded and then go high. Then this run, you could believe it properly, sustainable run. But now what they're doing, 29, 10:30 opening. This candle going down in 15 minutes doesn't make sense, does it? Look from here, can they go down and make it like a proper bearish candle here? Not really. We got only 1 minute left. So, but the next candle, can they do it? They can do anything, but does it look good? I don't think so. So it's up to you. What are you gonna do after that? You can trade from anywhere. Okay, so that's what I'm saying. You can now even, like, you know, say, oh, there is a fair value gap, I'm gonna trade from there. You know, they broke down, there is an order block, I want to trade from here. Why not? Look, they create a SMT, and now if you say I'm gonna do a short for a while, who's gonna stop you? Put your stop loss somewhere. But I'm saying it's just a way of dealing with that. But the understanding of the whole things, I want to create like a logic. That's what I'm trying to do. So just to learn. So I'm learning every day. I learn quite a lot of things, you know. Candle closure, I'm trying to learn it now. How I can get my bias from a closure and then a liquidity taken and things like that. So yeah, it will take time, but slowly, for surely, we'll learn. So I'll leave you here because it's already 10:30. I was almost 1 hour. So you have a good day, and I'll see you tomorrow again. Today, oh sorry, I have to lock my account. I didn't have a trade, but at least I showed you lots of things. Maybe if it create value to you, it's up to you. But I don't want to. I'm just coming here for myself. I watched myself later on. I told you yesterday as well. So after this one, maybe whenever I have time after my trading finish, I watch what I said in the beginning of the market. Because you can say, oh, why don't you trade with your own money here, like with your other funded account at this time? Because I'm creating something new. This one give me fun. I told you, anytime you can trade. You can come back in the evening as well. After 1 o'clock, you can make money. You can go in the morning, when the market open. Morning means I'm saying like American time, evening time, when the Asian market open, you can do that. Any time you can go and find liquidity. ICT's good thing is that ICT showed you all the time frame trading. So anytime you go there, find your own model, I think you can trade. So I'm trying to create as well. I'm trying to see that how to do that. So that's what I'm doing. So hopefully you can learn as well. From here, there's something like they're coming back. Let's see how they behave, because they already created a SMT with the things. This one going down looks funny though, from 15 minutes chart at least. Let's lock the account because I don't want to trade with this one. In front of you, I said it. Lock. Account lock. Then chart close. And I'll see you. This one didn't, we are not improving that much. Look, 2 account gone. And this one is still, we are doing it. So today as well, we did a little bit, but happy that, the places, we thought it will do something, it did it. That's it. So I'll see you. You take care. By saying these things, I have to go right now. Where is my thingy? Yeah. So you take care, and I'll see you tomorrow back again when the market open. Okay. Bye bye. Take care.